Hey, welcome to Mullen Stock. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. And also remember that this is not a financial advice video. Today, I would like to provide you with a market update and discuss some key data points, including what shorts are doing and the latest developments from the company. Let's dive straight into the main issues. Mullen is up 0.56% in the pre-market. Directionally, you can understand that it prefers to move higher along with other EV and behaves like a regular stock. Lucid, good old Tesla, and Rivian are all up in pre-market as well. This is influenced by NVIDIA earnings and the results of the Fed meeting minutes, which were better than expected. This is actually good news for Mullen. We'll have to see what happens during the actual trading day, because sometimes Mullen appears normal in pre-market, but has different intentions when the bell hits. Unofficially, news came out this morning. It's been reported on November 22 that Mullen Automotive Inc. has leased a warehouse in Orange County. The 121,000 square foot facility will be used for battery pack production and other related activities. The lease rate is $201 per square foot. When this was first reported a few weeks ago, it was around $1 something or $1.90. But if you do a rough calculation, it's approximately $244,000 per month. And they have signed a 5-year lease, so that's a significant amount, roughly $3 million annually. From a business standpoint, this is a decent amount of money. If you want to cut costs and not spread yourself too thin, this is why I've said before that Mullen is doing a bit more. But this is just my own interpretation. I've always felt that they should focus on M1 and M3 production, especially since people are talking about RDDS. David mentioned that RDDS has submitted a joint request to the Customs and Border Protection regulatory body, and the submission deadline was optimally set for November 10, with an expectation of a response within 45 days for both RRDS and Mullen. But looking at it again, when I was going through this, I may have skimmed over it. But this last sentence signals that their definite relationship has been established, because RRDS is moving forward with the intention of showcasing the Mullen 1 van and participating in the electric vehicle ride event in Washington, D.C. in the week of January 22, 2024. I'm not understanding why they are doing this if they haven't written everything in stone. So, once again, the same. This is something worth considering, but it says that RDDS and Mullen will have a hearing within 45 days, which will be around December 25th. Around that time, many things will unfold one after another. So, there will be a shareholder meeting on December 15th. And if Mullen is doing a reverse stock split, it has to be done by December 21st. And then Mullen will also update the lawsuit by submitting a new claim. Many things are happening simultaneously during this season, and there's also the holiday season. So a lot of things are happening at once. Tell me what your thoughts are on this. Now, let's talk about the shorts and what they are doing. Currently, after increasing 220,000 shares, which is 16.43% of the free float, a total of 63.76 million shares have been shorted. The average cost to borrow is increasing rapidly, at 263.99%, and yesterday it was around 25. As you can see on the chart, it had increased a bit after hours, up to 121. But this is quite significant. According to Interactive Brokers short availability, 0 shares are available to short, and it feels a bit strange to me that it's not on the threshold. When it loads and removes these useless things, you can see that it has increased quite rapidly after the reverse stock split. So it was about 11%, and now it's 16.43%. So shorts are really slowly starting to enter this. Not as dramatic as the past few days, but gradually, who knows? I think it will be on the threshold list today, but I just hope so. Still, do you think this new warehouse is good or bad for Mullen? I feel if Mullen provides some price ratio or updates on what their plans are and why this is beneficial, perhaps investors can understand it a bit better. But it seems like they're just spending money, and I really don't want this to change in some sort of milestone. So tell me what your opinion is. Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about Mullen stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.